we're trying Trolli Sour Crunchy Crawlers. Let's get to it. Okay.
Brian's gonna open it so he doesn't waste the barcode.
Okay.
Oh yeah, it's a.
Apparently there's a 14-day PlayStation Plus trial code, so I'm gonna use that later and play the game too.
These smell good and I haven't even touched one.
Okay, there's a hard outer shell of this.
Oh, wait, what is? I got three. I literally got three. They're all stuck.
Oh my god.
Let me break the inside up. Wait, I can't tell what flavor they are.
Oh, it's a gummy one.
It's a hard.
That's good. That's good.
More sour than usual.
It's a hard sugar.
This kind of tastes like a little bit like a Skittle.
It's a hard shell. With
But
sugar.
gummy worm in the inside.
Yeah.
This is sugar. It's a hard shell, and then a gummy worm inside.
These are good. I like sour candy because
These are good, but
More
it's too much
flavor?
sugar. Yeah, and there's mouth acid.
let me try blue.
But not that much.
Yeah, I'm gonna try
The
another
blue one looks so nice. Like the colors on it.
They all look nice.
The white shines on it and the blue.
Oh
is,
look,
like, very
it's a
vibrant.
green one, green.
I don't know why. I can't even tell what flavor mine is. For a second, the green tasted like a pretzel.
Pencil.
Hard outer shell. The inside is good. I like how it's sour.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really good.
I'm not really a big fan of the hard shell. It's really
Yeah.
hard to bite. Last color pink. Let me taste it.
I had Trolli gummy ones before and they were good. I love them.
Yeah. This one,
Why is there green gummy
this one
worm
is
in
just a normal sour gummy worm with a hard
But
gummy
good.
shell out of it.
Very
And
good.
it's pretty good.
Yeah.
Personally, I would maybe prefer just normal sour
Yeah.
gummy
Oh, you
worms.
could just take the shell off.
But
Cat's
these are
here.
basically the same
Our
thing.
cat's here.
Don't mind that. But anyways,
Our cat's just walking.
these are pretty good. I did prefer
What do we rate them?
sour gummy worms without the shell, but these are still pretty
Yeah,
good.
what
I rate these a 10. These are, I love them.
9.
I rate these, since it gave me a PlayStation code, I'm gonna give this,
I'll give
solid,
it 10 because it gives you a
since it's just candy, I'll give it a 9.
These are good.
Our cat's just chillaxing.
These are good, but I'm not really a fan of the outer shell. Okay, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go play this thing.
Bye, guys. Subscribe.